YouTube fam, welcome back to my channel. In case you just see me for the first time, my name is Linda and I'm making this video from Lagos, Nigeria. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this beautiful makeup look. So if you want to see how I went about creating this beautiful look, then please keep on watching this video. And if you are yet subscribed to my channel, kindly join the family. Click on the subscribe button just right below and also turn on the post notification bell so you know when I upload a new video to this channel. So guys, let's get right into the tutorial. Yay! So we're gonna start out with priming our skin, and I'm using Rimmel London primer. List of all the products which I used will be in the description box. After priming my skin, I'm gonna be applying my foundation. I'm using Maybelline Fit foundation in 362. I'm just gonna apply this foundation on the lower parts of my face and my forehead area just to ensure that it matches my skin tone well and my face doesn't look lighter than my neck and shoulder area. Then for the center of my face, I'm using NYX Honey foundation. My under eye area, my nose area, and my forehead area and my chin. I'm doing like an highlight, but the highlight before the highlight. I'm highlighting my skin using Elegant Pro concealer, and I'm using a small foundation brush to blend the concealer into my skin. Just pressing it on and ensuring that it's well blended. There are no harsh lines, everything blends smoothly. Blending is very important, guys. For the bridge of my nose, I'm using my fingers to set the highlighted part of my face. I'm using Colourpop No Filter Setting Powder, and I'm using a powder brush to apply the powder to the part of my face which I highlighted. To define my face, add some warmth, I'm using powder from Enlbeauty, and I'm using that shade which I showed you just to warm up my complexion and ensure that my face blends in my neck and shoulder area. I'm doing a powder contouring. Then to define my cheekbones, I'm using that powder just to make my cheekbones pop a bit more, and I'm also using the same powder to define the sides of my nose. Sorry about the lighting, I just started using a new light and I think I brought them too close. I need to take the light far away from my face in my next video. Now I'm defining my brows. I have a more detailed eyebrow tutorial on my channel. Just check in the playlist for makeup tutorials and you'll find it there. So next, I'm going to be applying my eyeshadow, and I'm using Enlbeauty, the Divine palette. If you don't have this palette, go and get it from Enlbeauty's website. So I'm going to start with a shadow named Shayo. I'm going to apply Shayo to my crease area, and I'm also going to deepen my crease area using the shade named Onyeka. And I'll go back to Shayo and blend above my crease, and go back to Onyeka and define the inner part of my eyelids and extend it to the ends. And I'll go back to Shayo again and blend above my crease area after defining my crease area. So I'm blending Shayo just above. For the center of my eyelids, I'm using a glitter named Oge. I'm just popping out to the center of my eyelids like, guys, this glitter is so beautiful. For my tear dots, I'm using Kike. Kike is the most flamboyant shimmery color you could have. For my bottom eyelids, I'm smudging the shade named Shayo there. And I went back to that brown eyeshadow just to define it a bit more. Yes, I love the eyeshadow look now. Yeah. Now it's time for lashes. I'm popping on my false lashes. After I'm done with my lashes, I'm going to reach out for a volumizing mascara from Enlbeauty just to make my lashes blend better with the false lashes and make it look thicker and fuller. Yes. So guys, next I'm applying the waterline pencil from Mabrook to my waterline area to make it dark. Then I'm using a shade named Shayo. It's a matte burgundy eyeshadow as my blush. It's kind of like a deeper pink. For highlighter, I'm using a product that I might be releasing soon on Enlbeauty, but I don't know, I'm still testing it out and trying to see if it's something that would be worth it. So I just highlighted my face with that highlighter. It's a gold tone highlight. And next I'm lining my lips, and I'm using Enlbeauty Witty lip liner. This lip liner is very creamy. If you're looking for a lip liner that you can also use as a lipstick, then grab the Witty lip liner. You totally love it. Just using it to line my lips, my upper lip and my lower lip area. So after lining my lips with a Witty lip liner, I'm going to start to define my lip, and I'm using the same foundation I used for my face to define the corners of my lips so that my lips looks very well
defined. Next, I'm applying Enlbeauty Velvet Liquid Lipstick named Moyo just on the center of my lips, and for my gloss I'm using Enlbeauty gloss named Chinelo. So guys, this is it for this look and we are done.
If you enjoyed watching this tutorial, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to this channel for more amazing content. And don't forget, check out our other makeup tutorials. We have a bunch of other makeup tutorials which you can learn a thing or two from. Subscribe to this channel for more amazing content. Aside from makeup, you also get content on hair and even my journey to losing weight. I'm trying to share more of myself on this channel. So I'll see you in my next video. Until then, remember, be bold and have courage, live a positive life. I love you guys. Bye.